I'm Matt with the Woodworking Network. Today, I'm here with Elden from CalPlant, and we're going to be talking about Eureka Mdf.
Hey, welcome, Matt. We're going to talk a little bit about CalPlant. CalPlant was founded in Willows, California. Our founders founded CalPlant as a solution to get rid of rice straw, which is grown in the Sacramento Valley. Rice straw has a zero value to anybody. Our founders spent a lot of years of research and money to develop an MDF product based on the rice fiber.
So can you tell me a little bit about what sets it apart from some of the other MDF products on the market?
Absolutely. So CalPlant's products, our MDF products, are built to wood-based MDF specs. So it's an alternative product to a wood-based spec. What really sets us apart is our raw material source is agri-fiber, and it's all sourced within 25 miles of CalPlant.
So what you're marketing here is an incredibly sustainable product. I'm kind of curious, can I get a little more on what makes it so incredibly sustainable?
Yeah, so rice is grown year after year in the Sacramento Valley. That consumes water. They grow it. We go in post-harvest. We go in and harvest that straw, bale it, bring it to the plant, and all of our fiber source comes in annually. We store it on site. It's the same fiber day in and day out to create a really sustainable and consistent MDF product.
Sounds like there's a lot of it available.
Absolutely. Raw material shortages is not in our vocabulary.
So what kind of products is Eureka Mdf being used for?
So yeah, Eureka Mdf has a wide variety of products, such as door skins for a door application, hardwood, plywood, store fixtures, molding products, cabinet industry. We can service various parts of all that industry.
So can you tell me a little bit more about its physical properties?
Eureka Mdf's physical properties are comparable with wood-based MDF. So our goal is to provide an alternative to customers looking for a more sustainable option.
So the usage and the tooling and everything is very similar.
Very similar.
People aren't going to have to change their process and their
Absolutely.
work.
It's built to a traditional MDF spec. So
I also want to ask a little bit more about the sustainability factor. So can you give me a little more detail about what kind of sustainable contributions this product's existence is making?
yeah, so as rice straw is done in the field, they have to reflood the field if they're not going to harvest the straw. Bring in equipment, pound it in the ground, degrade it, if they do not harvest it into bales. And so that contribution, you're saving water, you're saving emissions from the decomposition of the rice straw. We're taking that waste product, turning it into a wonderful MDF product.
So can you tell me a little bit more about the future of where this all goes?
Yeah, so with the future of Eureka Mdf, we're rolling out our Eureka grade products from CalPlant. Eureka means it comes with the manufacturer's warranty. We're putting our stamp of approval on it, and we're moving on. So we're developing thinner products, a wider range of products that can be used in other applications.
There you have it. Well, this is Elden from CalPlant talking about Eureka Mdf. I'm Matt with the Woodworking Network. We're here at IWF 2022, and I appreciate your time.
Thank you.